Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna showcase the new Firework battery star. Yeah guys, I actually got it. Let's go. I'm so happy I actually got it. Like I'm not joking, look. I have two limiteds now, which is the Krampus Bubble and the Firework battery, which I just got the morning. Now, let's showcase it. Okay, sorry for the bad quality, guys. First, it's called explosive jubilee, which just basically is jubilee. After that, flashy sound comes, and it's going to for 5 seconds, and it's a very strong sound. Let's test it from over here. Yeah, rocket pass is actually just a pass, but I don't have anyone to join, so I'll begin an account right now. Yeah guys, so he's here. He's gonna be the testing dummy. Yeah, you can see he cannot let us, he will not like me. Because he's kind of lagging, so let's put the graphics a bit down. He can still, that's a low. You cannot see the ball. So yeah, now it's time for the Illusion of Fire showcase. It's pretty easy to find, so you gotta dribble as defenders. So yeah, and time to showcase the Awakening. Basically, the Awakening is probably the best in the game. This looks so cool. Basically what it does is you can use explosive mode, so even if there's no enemies, as you can see, let me show you. As you can see, the enemy was far away from me, and I can still use it, but you must have the ball. As you can see, that's like over there. It goes pretty far. And next is the Firework Ray. It's actually a steel ball. Basically, when you're at your opponent, you just this is the concept. Goes flying. Firework Ray. Yep, that's a steel ball. And the pass, I'll show you later on, and then probably in my next short video. And I hope you like the rework. Oh, get out.